Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how to apply for the GGF program in 2025. If you're passionate about green growth, innovation, or environmental initiatives, this program could be a game changer for your career or projects. Let's dive right in and make the application process straightforward and stress-free. First things first, what is the GGF program? It's a highly regarded initiative focused on fostering sustainable development and offering grants or fellowships for 2025. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or professional, this could open doors to funding and opportunities. But before you start, head to the official GGF website to confirm eligibility. You'll need to check requirements like age limits, educational background, and relevant experience. Don't skip this step. Once you're eligible, gather your documents. This typically includes a resume, academic transcripts, letters of recommendation, and a personal statement outlining your goals and how the program aligns with them. Take time to make these shine. It's your chance to stand out. Next, prepare your application. Most submissions are online, so craft a compelling essay or proposal that highlights your unique ideas and contributions. Be concise, passionate, and error-free. Think of it as your elevator pitch to the selection committee. When you're ready, submit everything through the official portal. Double-check for any fees, deadlines, and required formats to avoid last-minute hiccups. After submission, follow up by monitoring your email for confirmations or additional requests. Finally, remember that deadlines for 2025 applications are strict, so plan ahead and set reminders. Applying early can give you an edge. That's all for today. Good luck, and if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more helpful guides. See you next time.